Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rust removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Corroseal Rust Converter and Metal Primer. The fact that the Corroseal Rust Converting Primer was created specifically for use in the huge marine industry speaks a lot about its quality. It's extremely effective and completely unique in its formula and performance. It uses an innovative water-based formula that chemically converts rust into magnetite, a black, inert substance, rather than removing it. This way, the Corroseal eliminates the need to sandblast rust, making the process less tiresome and time-consuming. Plus, it primes the metal surface with a latex primer afterward. This product is suitable for all marine, automotive, household, and industrial rust problems. Simply apply it by brush in a heavy white coat with 8 to 10 mils wet film thickness. Make sure that no surface is showing through. Once you notice that black color appears, it means that the rust conversion has already started. Kick back and relax. Moving on at number 4, we have the FDC Rust Converter Ultra, highly effective professional-grade rust repair spray. The Rust Converter Ultra from FDC is a good quality product that halts the existing rust amazingly well and prevents future corrosion with an ultra-durable protective barrier. As the name suggests, it converts rust to a stable, inert coating and seals out moisture to prevent corrosion. Hence, no sandblasting, grinding, and scraping are required. The only thing you should do is prepare the surface by removing dirt, dust, and grease. After that, you should apply the product with a brush, roller, or pump sprayer. One bottle will be enough for 500 square feet, provided that you use it on a smooth, non-porous surface. However, overly textured surfaces might require more product. Also, take note that for a complete transformation of very rusty surfaces, you may need to apply a second coat of the Rust Converter Ultra. Still, the coverage of this product is really impressive even if you need to apply a second coat. Most other rust converters cost more but last less. At number 3, we have the Evapo-Rust ER012 Heavy Duty 128 ounces Rust Remover. If you're looking for an affordable product to keep your tools, cookware, or hardware rust-free, take a closer look at the Evapo-Rust ER012. For less than $20, you can get a super effective rust remover that can make even tough rust disappear without scrubbing. But the best part is that it effectively eats any kind of rust while being absolutely non-toxic. It's an environmentally safe solution that is non-corrosive, non-toxic, non-flammable, and includes no acids, bases, alkalis, or petroleum solvents in its water-based formula. Plus, the product is completely biodegradable, which is an obvious benefit for eco-conscious users. The Evapo-Rust can restore auto parts, cast iron cookware, chrome grill grates, gas tanks, steel tools, antiques, sewing machines, and other household items. And due to its gentle formula, it won't harm metals, rubber, PVC, plastic, paints, and unrusted steel. At number 2, we have the WH-290487 Metal Rescue Rust Remover. The Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath is another safe and easy solution for dissolving rust from iron and stainless steel. It works like a miracle, taking the rust from the most heavily corroded metal parts, making them look fresh like you've just brought them from the store. It really removes rust very quickly and efficiently with virtually no labor involved. Just soak the corroded parts in the plastic container, check, and rinse. It's that simple. Depending on the severity of the rust, this rust cleaner requires from 5 minutes to 24 hours. It removes light rust fast, but deep rust takes longer. The bath is safe and doesn't compromise any properties of the metal, It's even safe for drains or sewer systems. So, if you think that the pipes in your house require rejuvenation from the inside, the Workshop Hero WH290487 Metal Rescue Rust Remover will get the job done. 1 gallon bottle will be enough to dissolve up to 1/2 pound of rust, but you can also order it in 1 quart or 5 gallon options depending on the projects. And finally at number 1, we have the KRUD KUTTER MR32, the must for rust. The KRUD KUTTER MR32, the must for rust, is a unique rust remover and inhibitor that claims to prevent rust in one step. And we would say that this product really lives up to its hype. The proprietary water-based formula penetrates deeply into every void of a metal surface and removes rust through a strong chemical action. And what is great, this rust neutralizer effectively resists the future formation of corrosion. The trick is that it forms tiny, rust-inhibiting crystals that become integral with the molecules of the metal. Another advantage of the KUTTER chemical rust remover is that it creates an ideal, clean surface for any primer, paint, coasting, etc. It ensures secure bond for coating and doesn't allow rust to spread under it. But the thing that completely sold us is that it's very easy to apply. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.